All right, so first side we're going to talk about is the surface area. All we are finding is surface area of rectangular prisms, okay? So remember back from 6th grade, when you find the surface area, right, you're thinking of like covering up like a package. How much do you need to wrap it up? So it's all the outside surfaces. So that being said, our formula, which you should write on your paper, surface area is 2 times capital B plus P times H, where capital B equals area of the base, P equals perimeter, H equals the height. Okay? When you're dealing with rectangular prisms, it's super nice because you have 6 sides every time. Okay? You are going to find the area of each side, and you can just add them all 6 together. So I'm going to show you this 2 different ways. So if we do number 1 together, everybody should have number 1 done because you're doing it with me, okay? The surface area I've got, right now I can see 1, 2, 3 of my sides, okay, or my faces because it's a 3D shape. You also know there's 1 back here, 1 back here, and 1 underneath. So in total there are 6. I need all areas added together. So I'm going to start with the first one. This is a rectangle. It's a 13 by 3 rectangle, so all I'm going to do is base times height. 13 times 3 is 39, okay? And I know that I have 2 of those because there's 1 in the front, and it's going to match on the back. Okay, so then I'm just going to double 39. 39 times 2 is going to be 78. All right, so I got 78. That's 2 of my sides, or 2 of my faces. Now let's work on this side. I've got a 9 by, what's this? Well, the height is over here, and so it matches, so this is also 3. So I've got a 9 by 3, which is 27. Well, there's 1 on the left side, there's also 1 on the right side, so I can just do 27 times 2, and I've got 54 for those 2. All right, and then the last one is going to be the top. That side I've got 13 here by 9 going this way, so I've got a 13 by 9. Let me grab my calculator because that's not a very friendly multiple, we know. 13 times 9 is 117. I've got 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, so I'm going to say times 2. That'll get me 234. So I've got that for those 2. So I've got 3 total sums, but actually it's all 6 faces. I'm going to add them together. I'm just going to use my calculator. 234 plus 54 plus 78. All together, I should have 366 inches squared, okay? Because we're talking about area, you're going to square your answer, okay? Same process goes for all of these, okay? If you are to use this formula, okay, I'm going to do number 2 with you. I need 2 times the area of the base. Well, the base is opposite a different base. So I could say, if I drew it in kind of, so you could see it better. These could be bases, these could be bases, and then my front and back could also be bases. You just need to pick 2 faces that are opposite of each other to be the base. So I'm just going to pick the top. So it's a 4 by 20, because this is also 20. All right, so according to this formula, if this is what you want to use, you're going to say 2 times 4 times 20 plus my perimeter, so I got to add up the whole outside. 20 plus 20 plus 4 plus 4 is going to be 40. And 8 times my height, and my height is 6. All right, so I've got 2 times 80 plus, let me do 48 times 6, 288, 160 plus 288, because I multiply these together, I get 448. Now, this is just the other way to do it based on this formula. This is what you saw in the MCAs. You can definitely just do this. Find all 6 sides and add them all together. Okay? You decide. You've got the rest to do on your own. Number 10, be careful. It's just a word problem, so you might want to draw a picture to help you out with that one. All right? Best of luck. You got it.